Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling green hills, there lived a curious little girl named Lily. Lily loved to read more than anything else in the world. She spent her days exploring the dusty shelves of the village library, searching for new adventures within the pages of old books. One sunny afternoon, as Lily was browsing through the oldest section of the library, she stumbled upon a book she had never seen before. It was bound in rich red leather and had intricate gold patterns on the cover. The title read, "The Book of Wonders." Excitedly, Lily opened the book and began to read. As she turned the first page, a soft, warm light enveloped her. To her amazement, she found herself standing in a magical forest filled with sparkling flowers, talking animals, and trees that whispered secrets. Lily soon met a wise old owl named Oliver, who perched high in the branches of a tall oak tree. Oliver explained that the Book of Wonders had chosen her because of her love for stories and her kind heart. He told her that the forest was in trouble. A mischievous goblin named Grizzle had stolen the enchanted crystal that kept the forest alive and vibrant. Determined to help, Lily set off on a journey with Oliver and her new friend, a brave squirrel named Sammy. Together, they ventured through mystical lands, crossing bubbling brooks and climbing towering mountains. Along the way, they faced various challenges that tested their bravery and friendship. In a dark cave at the edge of the forest, they finally found Grizzle, the goblin. He was grumpy and lonely, having stolen the crystal out of jealousy. Lily, with her gentle nature, spoke kindly to Grizzle, offering him friendship instead of anger. Touched by her kindness, Grizzle returned the crystal and apologized for his actions. With the crystal back in its place, the forest blossomed with even more beauty and life than before. The animals cheered, and the trees danced with joy. Lily had not only saved the forest, but had also made a new friend in Grizzle. As the sun set, casting a golden glow over the magical forest, Lily felt a gentle tug. She opened her eyes and found herself back in the library, the red leather book still in her hands. She knew the adventures she had experienced were real, and she smiled, knowing she could visit her magical friends any time she opened the Book of Wonders. And so, Lily continued to read and explore, knowing that every book held the promise of a new and exciting adventure. I hope you enjoyed the story.